Hello everyone. If you are facing audio problem while recording video and you are using any Realme device, this video is for you. I am also using Realme Narzo 50 mobile and I have faced issue while recording video. No issue with video, but while talking, no voice, no audio in video. So this is the irritating issue on Realme devices. Not only Realme Narzo 50, all Realme devices have found this issue. I also update my phone to the latest software version, but still I have issue with my Realme phone. So I will I will tell you how to fix this problem. First, you need to clear your phone memory, delete some photos or videos or unwanted apps. Then you need to restart your device. Then it will definitely work for you. And I also record this video with Realme Narzo 50 mobile. Hopefully you can easily hear my voice through this mobile. I faced this problem for fewer times in this mobile. I have already fixed this issue, so hopefully we will also fix this problem on your Realme mobile. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.